Hey y'all, welcome to Sweet Tea and Butterflies. Today we are making little snowman ornaments. So enjoy and let me know what you think. Start out by cutting circles out of some black felt. This will be for the brim of the snowman's hat. I sometimes struggle with getting perfectly cut shapes the first time around, so I'm having to kind of clean it up a little bit. If you like the content that we're putting out, please like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time we put out a new video. And we really appreciate your support. So here I am taking and I folded the circle that I cut out in half. And, pardon me, I'm cutting like a cross in the middle so that it'll fit over the K-cup that I'm using for the top part of the hat. I also cut out two smaller circles to put on top of the K-cup. This is one of those I had seen, and I don't remember who I saw use a K-cup for something, and I got thinking, I use a lot of these at work. I drink a lot of coffee, and it's a shame to, for all of it to go sit in a landfill. So I decided, hey, let's see how creative I can get and what I can make with these. So that's what we're doing. I guess I didn't get the footage or show the footage of me cutting out the little circles that go on top. I just used the bottom of the K-cup and traced around it to get the right size. And when you're working with fabric and hot glue, it's always good to use your finger protectors because you'll feel that heat through there really quick. I also cut little strips to go around. Here I'm just trying to get it lined up, make sure that I cover where the brim, part of the brim is sticking up on the hat. Just put a line of hot glue there and get it started. And tightly pull it around. I glued it in a couple of spots to make sure that it didn't slide around. finishing it off there. I hate hot glue strings. They drive me crazy. It would be better to wait till I'm done to pull them off, but they just, I don't know, they remind me of spider webs, and I don't like spider webs. Now I'm just trimming it up so it has a nice clean finish there. And you can, I cut that strip where it was just a tad higher than the top of the K-cup so that I could finish it at the top as well. I think here I realized that I needed to trim a little bit more off of that, but the brim was just a little bit too wide. Here's where I took and put a little bit of hot glue, and I'm folding that up to cover so that the K-cup isn't showing through around that top edge. Try not to get too messy with the hot glue like I did there. The second one I managed to not get too messy with, but I was able to clean it up okay. And my original idea with the hanger was to run it through the top of the hat, but I found that trying to run that through even with the needle was close to impossible. So I just looped it, tied a knot at the bottom, and neatly glued it on the top. Here I'm putting a ribbon around the brim there. I think this one is the one that says Noel. I made 2 of these. I plan on making more. But for now I started with 2 because it was the first run of the idea. We would love it if you'd follow us on our social medias. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and we have our own crafty chat group on our website. We would love to see you hop over there and become a member and join us. Share some of your neat crafty ideas and have some fun. Here I'm embellishing the hat with a little holly. I think these are little button things that we got at Hobby Lobby. we finished the hat. Isn't it so cute? Who'd ever thought you could make something so cute out of a K-cup, right? What some people throw away, we end up making cute little crafty projects with. Here I'm just trying to get just the right fit on the styrofoam ball with the hat. Looking to, see exactly where I need to put the face, and I'm using 2 little buttons for the eyes. And I took I took the end of a skewer and cut it and painted it orange for the nose. So he's got a little, what looks like a little carrot nose. I used another skewer to poke a hole there to put it in. Use very lightly with the glue in there, that because it'll melt the styrofoam if you're not careful. I learned the hard way that you had to be very, very careful once you get it in there, not to fiddle with it too much. And I just painted on some little black dots around for his mouth. I had fun making these little ornaments, and they really don't take that much time to do, especially once if you're doing more than one, once you've tackled the first one and got it right, it, moves so much quicker the second time around. And here I'm taking and adding glue to glue the hat to the styrofoam ball now that I've got the face in place. I just glued it on the front, let it sit for a minute, and tipped it a little bit on the back to get under there on the back part of it. And then I'm securing it down on the K-cup more so it covers that where you can't see the rim, and it keeps the rim of the hat from flopping up too. Trimming the hat back a little bit so that it's not flopping over the face, because you want your snowman's cute little face to show. And that's always a challenge, for me anyway. I can't cut a straight line to save my life, so it is what it is though, right? And voila, our little snowman is finished. Isn't he adorable? Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share.